Hello my poraholic friends, I am Loida, the queen of embellished pores and the creator of loveacrylicpainting.com. Today I'm going to be showing you how I did this awesome and sparkly and metallic looking headband, and how I did also this galaxy shirt. I added some planets, some stars, and I'm going to show you how I did that with some Prizm Pour paints. I made this shirt because I was so inspired by my next galaxy pour, which is the video that will be premiering on January 16th. This video is going to be part of the New Year's Colourarte collaboration, which is going to be featuring 11 artists. So you don't want to miss that because it's also full of awesome prizes. You're going to have 12 chances to win a Colourarte Prizm Pour Set. So there's 11 prizes, one for each channel. Also a mega prize which has a $400 value. So check the details in the description box below this video so you don't miss that. Okay, now let's get on to the video and let me show you how to do this awesome t-shirt and also this awesome headband. So let me show you what we're going to be using. So first of all, I have my Prizm Pour paints from Colourarte. I have several colors already here. They're already mixed with this textile medium in order to turn these acrylic paints into fabric paint. So this is from the brand Tulip. I found it at Hobby Lobby. I'm pretty sure you can find it online as well. I will leave links of all of these things that I'm going to be using. I'll leave them in the description box below. So this one, the instructions said to mix 2 parts of acrylic paint to 1 part textile medium. So let me tell you the colors. This first one is Chantilly Lace, Claret, Royal Sapphire, Rich Auburn, Neptune's Gaze, Peach Dahlia. This one is True Silver, and this last one is Frostbite. And so also I got these Woodpile. It's a little package with round wooden circles for a different project, but since I already have them on hand, I was thinking I might as well just use these as my template, kind of. You'll see what I'm gonna do in a little bit, but anyways, these are not gonna go on my t-shirt, okay? These are just going to be used to make my planets. So you'll see in just a little bit what my plan is. You could use a piece of cardboard, any other thing that has a circular shape, and in the middle, or yeah, right in here, I put just something that is solid. So you could use, again, a piece of cardboard, anything that's solid, just to keep your t-shirt in place and protect the back. So the first thing I was gonna do is make some stars. So I'm just gonna use a brush to make some stars. We'll see if it's too thick. Maybe. Now I'm gonna use maybe this to put some white dots. to do is going to put paint. And we're gonna plop it right there. Squeeze a little. Now, I wanted to add some rings to some of my planets, but I'm not really great at drawing. So they didn't really turn out as pretty as I would have liked. They were a little crooked, you know, some areas were a little bit thicker than others. And I mean, it turned out okay. This was not meant to be like a professional t-shirt. It was more meant to be a fun project. So I'm happy overall with how it turned out. Also, my planets were not completely circular shaped. You know, they were a little off, but I was okay with this. I was just having fun. I was just testing the paints, trying to make something out of it. And yeah, I mean, you could go as professional as you like, or you can just have some fun like I did. I tried to add a little bit more paint on this star on this corner, and I kind of messed it up. It started looking more like a blob. So later on in the video, you'll see that I turned this star into a small planet. Now let's take a closer look at what we've got. Okay, I just dumped on my leftover paints in a wax paper. I have this headpiece. It's a piece of cloth, and I'm just gonna dip this in that paint and maybe, you know, make a hairpiece out of it. But I'm not sure how this is gonna turn out because, like I said, this is my first time doing this stuff, so I'm not sure. I'm just gonna dip it in there. I'm gonna have to be moving it. Ooh, maybe. We'll see. If we don't like it, it's okay. I just thought we shouldn't be wasting paint. So I just thought it would be fun to dip a hairpiece in here. So now you know that Prizm Pour paints are not only meant to be used for acrylic pouring, you can also use them for decorating your clothes, handbags, shoes, headbands, anything that is made out of fabric. I hope you liked this video, and don't forget about the upcoming collaboration. I will see you then.